You want to race? I may never get out of this chair. This is a feature I've been waiting for several years. CES is the best time to get a glimpse of the most exciting tech coming out over the next few months, and sometimes a preview of the trends that we'll see in the future. So here's everything that the Tom's Guide team and I love from this year's show. What if doing your dishes and your laundry became a thing of the past? The Switchbot One Row is looking to make that a reality. So it can do a couple of really cool things right now, with more features to come as its AI model continues to improve. Right now, the main demos that they have set up for us are detecting laundry throughout the house. It's automatically going to put it in the washing machine. It can even load the detergent. After that, it can take the laundry out, it can fold your laundry, and even put that laundry away. I'm also excited to see how well it can do other functions in your kitchen, such as doing your dishes, and maybe sometime in the future, even helping you cook and serve food. It's actually going to be available later this year for around $10,000, which yes is very steep, but can you imagine never having to do your laundry or dishes again? This is the Tesla of wheelchairs. This is the Strutt EV1. And man, I wish I had this all of CES because we have been walking a lot. It's got a bunch of built-in tech here, a ton of sensors, cameras, even a backup camera to help me navigate around safely, either manually or autonomously. I can even set waypoints and custom destinations or favorite points. So for example, if I watch TV in the living room, I can naturally speak and say, hey, I want to go watch Netflix. It'll know that is where your TV is set up and take you there. And in Pathfinder mode, I can actually zoom in and out from the map. I can tap and hold on my destination that I want to go to. It's automatically going to plan out the route, auto avoid all the obstacles, and safely bring me to my destination. And look, no hands. The cameras are basically recognizing one of two things. Is it a foot or is it some other obstacle that I should be clearing over? Because it actually can clear objects as tall as 3 inches, and it can actually climb inclines as steep as 13 degrees. Range is going to be about 20 miles, and it can support weights up to about 350 pounds. As for charging, you get 0 to 80% in about 2 hours, or a full charge in about 4 hours. This is going to be available on Kickstarter starting at $5,300. It's going to be available later this year. I think if you don't get that early bird pricing goes up to $7,300. So if you really want this, you can save quite a bit of money by pre-ordering it. I feel like Professor X in this thing. I play basketball, but I suck at shooting. But the Lumistar Carry is here to change that. Right now we're in a 2-player mode where it's tracking both of our shots, keeping score. It's actually seeing where we're making and missing our shots. Put my hand up, it sees me. It's gonna pass the ball. So it's really good to keep track of your performance, your hot spots, places you need to maybe work on your shot a little bit more. It can actually follow you as you move around different parts of the court. This is a great way to improve your shot a lot more quickly. It looks gigantic, right? But look at how compact it is when it's all folded up. It sets up in a minute. You can bring it to any local court if you wanted to. But the other really cool thing that I'm excited to try out more is this right here. The cameras can actually detect your body. And this is gonna help you improve your form and your technique. It's gonna be available later this year, starting at around $3,000 to $4,000. And on a good one. The MemoMind One looks and operates very similarly to the Even Reality's G2 smart glasses that I've been wearing all of CES, but it has a few interesting differences. At its core, you'll find a nearly identical dual-eye display that gives you access to features like AI note-taking, a teleprompter, online and offline translation, navigation, and even karaoke lyrics. But what sets it apart from the Even Reality's G2 are the addition of built-in speakers that sound surprisingly good, along with way more frame styles and colors to choose from. In my quick hands-on demo, I found the One to be significantly more comfortable than the G2, and MemoMind says that we can expect several exciting accessories to be revealed as well. That is a lot of awards, and it deserves it. The Roborock Saros Rover is one of the coolest robot vacuum cleaners that you can get today. With its independently moving, articulating legs, they can climb thresholds and even climb your stairs. The Rover is looking to solve one of the biggest obstacles for whole home cleaning. It has 2 wheels at the end of extendable legs that can lift it up 1 step at a time to go from one floor of your house to the next. Even better, it can vacuum each step of your stairs as it ascends. It does it all with impressive agility, and you can see how it leans back and forth on each leg, effortlessly gliding up and down a ramp. When was the last time you saw a robot vacuum that could do that? And if you're like me and you have a home with multiple levels, this is a feature I've been waiting for several years. If you work from an office or gaming chair for several hours every day, you're gonna wanna check out the Libernovo Omni. This thing, and I hate to say it, it really is a game changer for people like me who are at their desks all the time. It has this incredible lumbar support with a built-in massager. And when I unlock this fully, I may never get out of this chair. This is so comfortable. You may also wanna game in this. So if I sit up just a little bit higher, lock myself in. You've also got adjustable armrests where you can bring them a little bit closer or further away depending on what you're playing. Like I could see myself with like an ROG Xbox Ally or an MSI Claw or some other gaming handheld playing like this in this position. This is really comfortable. And then also check this out. I have these two buttons here so I can actually adjust the position of the lumbar support. Yeah, that feels good. Yes, $800 is expensive for a chair, but if you game and work a lot from one spot, you're gonna wanna invest in something that supports your back and massages you too. LG is reviving the Wallpaper TV 6 years after its predecessor was discontinued. But 6 years is a lot of time in the tech world, and it shows. At just 9mm thick, LG says the W6 is the thinnest, brightest OLED that they have ever made. This TV nearly disappears when you look at it from its sides thanks to a design that allows it to more easily sit flat against the wall. And it also brings a huge improvement over the original Wallpaper TV from 2017, no wires. A Zero Connect box delivers all the inputs that you need from up to 10 meters away with 4K at 165 Hz for lossless audio and video playback. The new Wallpaper TV also boasts hyper radiant color technology, which improves black levels, color vibrancy, and brightness, becoming the first in the industry to receive a reflection-free certification. LG hasn't released pricing info, but has said that the Wallpaper TV won't cost that much more than the G6 series from the past, but that could mean anywhere from $8,000 to $20,000. Now, if I had to pick one laptop that actually blew me away from this year's show, it's gotta be the Lenovo Legion Pro Rollable concept. It looks like your typical thick boy gaming laptop at first with a 240Hz 16-inch OLED display, but with a click of a button, it extends its display horizontally up to 24 inches with a 24:9 aspect ratio, or if you want, a slightly narrower 21:9. But I'm definitely gonna be maxing that baby out every single time. I didn't get to demo any gameplay here, but this would definitely be a big step up for playing your immersive and cinematic titles on the go without needing to bring an external monitor. And besides gaming, this should also be a beast for productivity and multitasking, letting you run 2 programs or even 3 side by side with plenty of screen real estate. And can you imagine bringing this thing to a Starbucks, unrolling it, and watching the person next to you's jaw drop in confusion like, what is this black magic? Unsurprisingly, this is still a concept and pricing and availability hasn't been announced yet, but this is a laptop that's looking to shake things up, and I can't wait to test it more. So those have been our favorite picks from CES 2026, but we want to know what you guys think. Are you excited for this year's newest announcements? You can find us everywhere at Tom's Guide, and you can follow me to see what other cool tech I'm reviewing. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.